Hello, my dear students. Hope you guys are all doing good. Hope you guys are all perfectly fine. So finally, the time has come for me to announce the CA final auditing lectures. Yes, you heard it right. The thing which you have been waiting for a very long period of time. The question which you have been asking from last few months. So when I open my inbox of our app or even in the social media comments, so you all have been asking one continuous question, sir, when CA final auditing lectures will be out. Now here is the answer for you. So now we are ready to offer you CA final auditing lectures. Thanks for all the support whatever you are showing to us. So from the last few months, I have been working extremely hard on this CA final lectures. I have been doing a lot of background work. We have drafted the materials, top-notch materials we have drafted when it comes to content clarity and all and presentation. And I have been reading a lot of professional content to make sure that the practical clarity, the practicality and clarity of the concepts which I want to deliver to you. So you all know the distinguishing feature of my lectures is the practicality and clarity which we bring to the subjects, the practicality which I add to the concepts, the ease and comfort which I add it in the concepts. So I don't want to compromise on that even at the CA final level. So I have put all the efforts when it comes to material, when it comes to lectures, when it comes to examples, when it comes to practicality. So a lot of background work has been happening from the last few months, and now I'm all equipped and I am ready to deliver before you the top-notch lectures with a lot of practicality, with a lot of clarity, and those lectures which will definitely help you to get through the examination. So we are all ready with that. So in this video, I'm going to talk about that details of the course, how you can access it, what is the structure of the course, so when it is going to commence, how you can buy it, how you can watch it, all that things we are going to talk about in this video. So please watch the video till the end, so all your concerns regarding the classes will be cleared. Okay. So without any delay further, let me go into the details, what and all this course is about, when it is going to commence, and all the details we will talk about it in this video. Please watch this video till the end without any fail. And still after watching this video, if you have any more doubts, if you have any more concerns, if you want to know something more regarding the CA final lectures, definitely you can reach out to me. Okay, so my number will be there in the description. You can WhatsApp me, you can call me, you can Telegram me, or you can make your comments to this video. So definitely all your issues and concerns will be resolved. So now let us go into the details of the course. So this course is going to commence from March 15. So this course is going to commence from March 15, 2024. From this date, we are going to start our CA final audit lectures. And the mode of delivery is going to be, this course is going to be online live along with access to the recordings. The course mode of delivery is what? It's going to be video lectures, but the way we are going to deliver this is it's going to be online live along with access to the recordings. So let me go into the detail. What is the mode of delivery? How exactly the classes are going to happen and what you are going to get? Let me go into the details. So as I was telling earlier, so from March 15, 2024, we are going to commence our CA final audit lectures. Every day, the class timings are going to be from morning 6:30 a.m. till 9:30 a.m. So if you remember, recently we have conducted a poll on YouTube community asking the students' views itself, what will be the suitable time for the students to attend the lectures and all. So the course timings are going to be morning 6:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. During this time, there will be a live session. During this time, there is going to be a live session will happen. In between 15 minutes of break also will be there. So from morning 6:30 to 9:30 a.m., there will be a live session. There will be live session. When it is going to commence? From March 15, 2024, you are going to commence. It is going to commence. Now, once you buy the lectures, this live session you can attend. How you can attend that live session? All that technical details will be sent to you over email. You need not worry about it. So live session is going to happen every day from 6:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. The student can attend this online live session. It's going to be online live, guys. It's not going to be physical live. It is going to be online live. So from my studio, I will be having a live telecast. So from 6:30 to 9:30 a.m., the student can attend this live class. Now, whatever live class will happen, that video will be recorded and that recordings also will be shared with you. And for this recordings, you are going to get 1.6 views. For this video, you are going to get how many views? 1.6 views you are going to get it. That means if you are so smart enough, it is like one view you will get it for live class, one view. When you are watching the live class, you will get one view. Along with that live class, in addition to that live class, whatever recording is there, for that recording I will give you 1.6 views. So if you could properly plan, it is going to be 2.6 views you are going to get. One live class view, one live class you can attend, and along with that, for recordings also I will give you access for 1.6 views. Able to understand? So why this is because if you are unable to attend live class at any circumstances, no issue. Even if you are unable to attend the live class, you will get the recordings, and that recording you can watch it with up to 1.6 views. There is no need to worry what will happen if you miss the live class. There is no need to worry about it. You will get the access to all the recordings. Sir, where can I watch these lectures? So currently we will run these lectures, even this online live class and all, we will have separate mechanism for that. As I have told, technical details will be shared once you purchase the course. And this course you can access either on laptop, either on Windows laptop or Android mobile. So this course you will be able to access from either laptop or on Android mobile also. You can watch this lectures. It's up to you. In any manner you can watch this. So this is going to be the timing. Okay, now coming to the next point, sir, where can I purchase this course? If I want to enroll for this course, how can I enroll? So enrolling is also very easy. You can do two things. One thing is either you can visit our website. So you can visit the website www.fingainsacademy.com. The link to the website also I will add it in the description. You can visit this website. Once you visit this website, you will be able to find the CA final advanced auditing lectures. Just click there, you can purchase it. Or one more option is also there. This is actually beneficial for the student. So one more thing what you can do is, if you want to purchase the lectures, you can directly WhatsApp me on this number 9398068045. So on this number you can WhatsApp me. So if you buy the lectures, if you buy the CA final course through the WhatsApp by directly paying us, you can get a 500 rupees of discount. I will tell you why. So if you buy it on the website, it will be 8,000 rupees, 7,999. So this will be the effective price if you buy it on the website. But if you WhatsApp me, and if you can spend some extra time, WhatsApp me and make the payment to me directly, you can get 500 rupees of discount. So why I'm passing on that discount to the student is why? Because if you buy the course in the website, there will be internet handling charges and all will be there. So if you could directly pay it to me or UPI numbers and all, you can in fact, I can save that handling charges. So I want to pass on that benefit to the student. So it's up to you. If you want to buy it on the website, you can go and buy it. If you don't want to buy it on the website, you can directly WhatsApp me. I will tell you what needs to be done. So in any way you can buy, but if you buy it over WhatsApp, you will get a discount of 500 rupees. Okay, and whatever lectures we are going to record, see, as I have told, tentative date is the starting date of the lectures is March 15, 2024. Then the tentative date for completion of the lectures will be somewhere around March 20, not March 20, May 20, 2024. By this time we will try to wind up our lectures, and I am planning to do this lecture somewhere around 150 hours. How many hours the lectures are going to happen for? 150 hours of duration will be there for the lectures. And I am going to give validity for this course up to 2 years. You will have access to this course for a duration of 2 years. Why 2 years? I will tell you. The reason being here, see, some students might not give the attempt immediately. See, these lectures I have been recording, whatever lectures, whatever course I have been offering now, that will be applicable from November 2024 examinations and later. Those students who are appearing for the examination for November 2024 and later, for those students, these lectures will be helpful. So I want to make sure that if you are a student who are going to write the exam after 1 year, after 1.5 years, you need not worry about it. I will keep the access to the lectures for a duration of 2 years. You are going to get a validity period of how many years? For 2 years, you are going to get the validity period. Okay, and you also might get it out, sir. Now I am watching the lectures. For example, sir, I am going to give my exam in November 2025. Okay, so now I bought your lectures. I have been watching your lectures, but my attempt is due for November 2025. During this time span, if any amendment comes, if any new chapters gets added, if any extra relevant content gets added, no need to worry about it. Whatever changes which are applicable for your examination, that content will be covered by giving you one material, and also the video explanations of that added content also will be given to you. You need not worry about it at all. Clear, everybody? So the course duration is going to be 2 years, and during this 2 years of span, or whenever the your relevant attempt comes, if at all any changes takes place, that changes content of material will material content also will be given. Along with that, the video explanations also will be given to you. You need not worry about the amendments taking place. Clear? So till now, to summarize whatever I have told, so once you buy the lectures, you are going to get 1.6 views for the recordings along with one live class, and this course is going to be valid for 2 years of time, and this course is going to be a duration for a duration of 150 hours. So just imagine how much comprehensively we are going to discuss the content. Clear, everybody? And whatever course we have structured, whatever material we have structured, that is completely as per the new scheme which has been recently announced by ICI. So as per the new scheme, we are going to deliver the lectures. Now, talking about material. So in fact, we have our materials ready. So material preparation has been done. So we have main material of 2 modules, module 1 and module 2. We have 2 modules of the main material. Along with that, we also have one question bank. So whatever price you are paying for, within that price, you will also get the physical copies of this material delivered. Hard copy of the material also will be delivered to you. You need not pay for that anything extra. So whatever price you are paying, that price is inclusive of physical copy of the materials. Physical copy of the materials will be delivered to your address. 2 modules of the main material, 1 module of the question bank. And if you have watched my lectures, you will get a clarity that whatever content I try to explain, that I will try to summarize it in the form of charts, and interactive graphical presentation will be there. That graphical presentation, that interactive charts, we will try to organize it, and a soft copy of all that things also will be shared with you. Clear, everybody? Which will help you for quick revision. So even that charts which I use in the classroom, we will try to properly organize that charts and even share that copy of the charts and diagrammatic representation of the concepts. That also will be shared with you. Clear and comfortable, everybody? So this is what regarding the lectures, and I told you what is going to be the duration, how many views you are going to get, for what period it is going to be valid, how you can purchase it, that also we have covered. And in addition to that, few more things I would like to share, sir. And even I told you how you can access the lectures. You can access these lectures either on laptop or on mobile phone. Any one device you can get the access. If at all, if you want even more views, that also we can do it for extra pricing. If you want any extra views or any extra period validity, you can personally WhatsApp me. We can even do that extensions as well. So you need not worry about it. Next, talking about the next thing, sir, we will watch the lectures. If at all we get any doubts, whom to reach out to? No one to reach out to. You can directly reach out to me only. So my number will be there with you. My WhatsApp number will be there with you. You can directly text me all your doubts and you can get those doubts clarified. And also, we are planning to do every week one doubts session we are going to conduct. Every Saturday evening for 1.5 hours, we are going to conduct an online live doubt session we are going to conduct. So the students who want to ask their doubts can even participate in that live doubts session also, and you can get your doubts sorted. And if you don't want to participate in the live doubt session, need not worry. You can WhatsApp me, you can call me and get all your doubts clarified. Understood, everybody? So this is what you are supposed to do in case if you are stuck with some conceptual doubts. So these are the details of the course which I wanted to share with you. I think I have clarified all your points, but as I have mentioned, if you still have any more concerns, if you want to know few more details, if you want to get access to the materials before that, so in the meantime, what I will try to do is I will try to upload the soft copies of the material in the website as well. You can have a look at it. And if you want to know something more, if you want to get a few more details, I'm always available. You can always text me. You can even call me and get your doubts sorted, guys. And see you in the class soon. And what is the date on which we are going to commence our classes? On March 15, we will be having a live session. Online live session we are going to commence from March 15. So see you in the class soon. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Bye, everybody. Take care.